These boots have stories to tell. They've marched through world wars, trudged through dust bowls, built skylines and stood firm on picket lines. Trends come and go, markets rise and fall, but Thorogood stands. Not by accident, by design. When factories fled overseas, we stayed put. When good enough became the standard, we raised ours. American-made, union-backed, employee-owned. Not because it's easy, because it's right. And after 130 years, one thing is clear. When you bet on the American worker, it pays off.